Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I have the new Harman Kardon. So this is the FIT series. Okay. Now this time on, they decided to come up with a new product, and it's not going to kill your budget that much or so much in a way. Okay. This is their entry level Harman Kardon speakers for cars, for automotive. Okay. So there are few models throughout this range. In terms of size, we have the 3-inch, we have the 4-inch, we have the 5-inch, the 6x9 and all that. So I don't want to focus on that at the moment. So I want to focus on this. This is the 6x5, 6.5 inch lah basically. Okay, so this is the coaxial set and this is the component set. So let's go over the specs first. Okay, before we do unboxing or anything like that, I want to go over the specs. So what we have in terms of specification here. All right, so yeah, the sensitivity is very high this time around, so it's about 91 dB. Okay, and frequency response about 57 hertz to 40 hertz, and then it's a 4 ohm impedance. All right, so in terms of RMS power, it's roughly around 50 RMS. Okay, there's about 50 RMS on power side. For the coaxial is about 45 RMS. I don't know whether they write it down somewhere here or not, but you know, that doesn't really matter. RMS power rating doesn't really matter nowadays for me. All right, so sensitivity is all I need. And also the coaxial, the component, right, it comes with a crossover. So this crossover, you can do 2-way or 3-way. All right, so let's do the unboxing of the component first. So once you remove everything from the box, okay, it's all cardboard. Okay, there's no fancy packaging and whatnot. So I think they invested all the money on the product itself rather than just making it look pretty. Okay, now you'll have your welcome pack or whatever this is. Okay, and of course you'll have your warranty card from Chin Han Tech, because Chin Han Tech is the only company that is distributing Harman Kardon. So anything else that you see on the market is not authorized. Okay, and you can't see it also. So tweeter accessories, you'll have all that. It's something similar like the reference or the kappa is the same. Okay, because it's Harman Kardon, it's from the same factory, you know. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is the crossover. Okay, Harman Kardon, and here you have the attenuation button for the tweeter, 3 dB or 0 dB. And now if you want to go 2-way or you want to go 3-way. Okay, but honestly, if you want to go 3-way, just forget about this. Get a damn USB. You know, you don't really need that. Okay, let's go to the unit itself. All right, and this is like a hard case. Okay, and voila, there you go. This is the new Harman Kardon FIT6CF. All right, nothing feels plasticky, everything feels really solid. I don't know what material is this. It looks like Kevlar, but I'm not too sure. I cannot find any information on that. Okay, there you go, Harman Kardon. You have all the information that you need over here. Okay, and there's some Mexican thingy going on, Chinese words. Yeah, so this is the component set. Okay, let's have a look at the tweeter. I want to see the tweeter. I don't know where is the tweeter. Wait a minute. Yeah, where's the tweeter? Is this the tweeter? So yeah, this is the tweeter. Everything is paid over here, and all you have to do is just connect it on the crossover like that. It's just plug and play. Okay, now ideally you need a longer wire, that's for sure, because some tweeters are in the A pillar, some woofers are in the door, so you have to extend the wire if you're using this crossover. Okay, so that's the tweeter, small little bugger. Okay, it looks exactly like the reference. Okay, and the kappa, no, this looks like the kappa. This looks like the kappa tweeter. Okay, so there you have it. That's the component set, tweeter, and you have your woofer. And let me open this up for you guys also so it looks nice. Maybe this will be a thumbnail, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's the tweeters and woofer. Oh, something wrong here. Okay. Right, so that is the component set. So now let's go to the coaxial set. Okay, so nothing much lah, the coaxial. Okay, it's just a speaker because the box is small and nothing else to fiddle around. Okay, so this is the coaxial. Damn, this looks really nice. This looks really good. It feels good. It looks similar to the mid bass, but you just have a tweeter over here. The magnet size and all that is just similar. Nothing changed. Okay, even the design at the back, it looks exactly the same. The same magnet size, everything is same, except this, the tweeter here. Okay, so yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the new Harman Kardon Fit series. They don't have a subwoofer at the moment. It's the Flow series, okay? Flow series has the subwoofer. That's the high-end side of the Harman Kardon. So this is the entry-level one. So how much is this going to set you back? Now that's a good question because everyone talks about budget and all that. Okay, let me give you an example. If you're buying the Flow series, okay, Harman Kardon Flow, the high-end one, that's about 4,300, okay? But this one is 3,500 ringgit. So 3,500 ringgit, you're going to get a component set and you also get a coaxial set. Of course, if you want the best, okay, and you have the money to spend on the Flow, right? Don't go with the Flow, okay? That rhymes really well. Don't go with the Flow, okay? Go with this. Get the Harman Kardon Fit. Okay, the extra budget, use it on a DSP and run the system active. Spot on. That's it. That's it. Okay, get a Crossfire A600 for 1,003 bucks. This is about 3,500, 4,800. You get a good sounding system already. Okay, so yeah, see you guys in the next one. I don't have much stock. Okay, I need to mention this. I don't have much stock at the moment in Malaysia. So I only got 3 units. So first 3 units, I'm not going to calculate my installation fee or whatsoever. You're only going to buy the product, which is 3,500 including installation. Okay, it can fit multiple cars. Okay, because it's an exact 6.5 inch. Okay, so yeah, see you guys in the next one. Take care.